problem with traditional PoE networks is they are limited to 100 meters. The PoE extender allows us to exceed that limit to upwards of 3 kilometers. A lot of times the devices, the security cameras, the access points and so on, must be installed, for example, outside, at the end of runways, for example, well beyond the 100 meters. To deploy those products in that distance, you would require outside plant cabling, you would require electrical work to be done to drive power out to those locations. The PoE extender eliminates the need for that. The PoE extender solution consists of a hybrid cable that is connected to a PoE extender device, which is a hardened device. It's an IP67 rated device. One of the key advantages of the PoE extender is its electrical protection. There are 3 levels of electrical protection. There's lightning protection, there's ground fault protection, and there's high voltage protection. Each of these features is activated with the common ground in the device to a ground rod at the location where it's installed.